I hope you guys can hear me. Please type in the chat if everything is okay. YouTube is not telling me if you can see my image or you can hear me. Hey Bukor, hey Azov, hey Sebastian. I think we have a bit of lag on YouTube. All good? Good afternoon. If it's afternoon for you, why not? Okay. So, let's start with Bitcoin. Slow and steady. Same scenario here. We are in the long reload zone, retesting the wick, the tail. Technically, this is a tail. So, making a W, making the breakout. When we'll see this pattern, we'll recognize the pattern. For the moment, we're just playing around. Volatility, I was expecting lower volatility. Seems like we have some volatility after all. Most of it is from Solana, but anyway, good to see that they are still playable. We still have some levels to play. On a lower time frame, I have a shark setup waiting in the market. Morning, Ivan. Yeah. So we still have some setups to play. We tried longs yesterday. I was a bit aggressive with moving my stop loss at scratch or making free position. Seems like I was right. It was a fake out. So I didn't lose money. Didn't make the money either, but I'm okay. Managed to get a short on Ethereum, and that was all the profit I made. Not a big amount, not a big risk, but no, it is what it is. So I'm still thinking W here, but keep in mind we are on daily chart. Will take some time until it will form. I don't see the W yet. Yeah, we want to retest lower. Well, we can retest lower. We can even test take all the liquidity here. Just look at it. Now we have some liquidity hidden here. Now, if we'll see the W, then we can play the retest or we can play the breakout. Until then, I prefer just to watch it from the sidelines on higher time frame. Ethereum, similar, you can see. We tried to push higher, was kind of a fake out, and is back at the same place like 2 days ago. Here we have a W, so in this area, between this level and 2500, if we'll see a new W, that could mean a nice setup. No? I see a lot of people panicking again on Twitter. Well, we are not on Twitter, we are on Crypto Traders Arena. We should respect our plans and play setups. So people, I don't see the reason to panic. Look at Bitcoin, look at Ethereum, look at total market cap. Yeah, Solana was a bit, I don't know. We had some FUD on it. Well, it was normal. After tons of coins made on Solana after the FUD, yeah. We'll recover, don't worry about it. If you see it lower, you can buy even on spot. So the lower it goes, the more attractive it will become. Yeah, so I don't see why people are panicking. I didn't sold my Solana, I'll be honest. If we go to zero, like some people are saying, so be it. Morning, Stefan, good morning. Yeah. People are panicking when they are underwater, but when you made the plan, you should anticipate when you are making a plan that at some point in time you'll be underwater and what you'll do in that scenario. If you plan, you just respect the plan and the emotions will be there, but lower. Okay, so Ethereum, if I'll see a new W here, I could play it. For the moment, nothing special, you can see. Nothing on OBV, nothing on RSI. We are retesting this level. If we'll be lucky, I'm keep telling you, if we'll be lucky, we'll get a long reload zone. Everyone is panicking and we are getting a bit too greedy here. If we'll reach the long reload zone, then that's a buying area for us. Okay, so we have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum. Let's look at Bitcoin dominance. Yesterday we had a retest of 60%, and you can see we rejected and we are pushing back up. That will form a nice pattern here, even if we push higher. You can see this is the old high, 61, and we are trying to retest that. Now is a resistance again. We kind of get in a range here. I was expecting a rejection from this level. Why? It was a strong resistance, now should be an acceptable support at least. So thinking that will go straight down through 60%, well, is not realistic usually. So we are back in the range, we are playing around, not a problem. Let's see if we'll form a big M on daily, that will be nice. We can even bounce back in the short reload zone here. Now let's adopt that. You can see that's a 38.2. We can push there and then reject. That will form a nice M. If we'll push all the way up in the 61.8, well, that could form a head and shoulder pattern. But for the moment we bounced. Let's see what will happen until the end of the week. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, we had the bot set up on 4-hour chart, and you can see we SFU the high here and back at the entry. Let's put 4-hour chart so you'll see it better. Now, you want to take this trade? It's up to you. I'm not trading this chart. I'm just looking it for confluence for the trades I make on Ethereum, on Bitcoin, and the rest. But nice push to the upside, rejecting for the moment. That's not bearish. Not bullish, is not bearish. It's forming a range here. We need a lot of price action movements to form that W on daily chart. If we'll see market above 0.03, then we know that all the price action here was a fake out. Simple. Market makers are exchanges? Yeah, they are. Okay, so Ethereum versus Bitcoin, kind of the same place. Total market cap, well, we are fighting above 3 trillion, nothing bad. Total 3. Similar price action here. I still think now, okay, 1 trillion is the resistance, but at some point will become support again. And hopefully next time will hold. Okay, so that's the overview. Not too many things we can say here, people. Not too many things. We are still waiting in the same place. Overall on daily chart, nothing changed, nothing happened. We had yesterday a candle of, I don't know, $1,000, $1,500, $2,000 movement. Bitcoin being at 100K or close to that level, that means we don't have enough volatility. That's not enough for us to make too much money. You can scalp. The only thing you can do in this environment is scalping. Okay, altcoins here, you can see everything or almost everything is on red. Discounts again. What they are doing now, they are retesting that daily W they are trying to make. For example, SSV. Let's put the daily chart. And to make a W, a clear W here, we need some price action and we need a bit of more consolidation there. And I could consider that almost everything is doing the same. You can see altcoins. Pump, dump, up. That should be the neckline, most probably. Let's see if this low will hold. If it will not hold, then we can think inverse head and shoulder. But we should still look for bottoms. We should look for long ideas here, even on daily chart. Now, as investors, we know that there are good levels already. I'm blabbing away every day here. But even as traders, we should consider the next W. Well, people, Sebastian, respecting the risk management, making a clear plan, and it's possible. It's not easy, Sebastian, it's not easy, but it's doable. It's doable with clear setups, with clear risk management, and good, I don't know, good risk to reward setups. We can play them. We can make a consistent profit. And if we know to compound the profit, then nothing could stop us. Yeah, so nothing will stop us. Which chart, Jade? Well, at this location, you are looking for W's, not for bearish, bearish flags. Yeah, it looks like a bearish flag, but the location, looks like this one, like this one, like this one, indeed. But you want to see the breakout and the retest. You don't want to see lower and lower. If we go lower, it will not make the W. Okay, we can wait, but you have to consider the location already. Okay, we can look at all of them. TIA, for example, similar. Okay, a lot of altcoins look similar. I don't think it's the case for us to do anything. Now look at peer. Is losing that $2 level. Will form a W here or not? Well, I don't know. Let's wait. I have a lot of peer and I'll try to buy more if it will be the case. Well, okay, people, let's go on lower time frame. I don't think it's any point to look at altcoins. We look every day and, well, they are a bit of in the red. Higher time frame, they are okay to dollar cost average. Use little old lady. As a position trading, swing trading, we should wait for W's. Until we have W's, nothing we can do. And in meantime, we can scalp if we are scalpers. And Bitcoin on 1 hour chart, you can see what I have here. We are in the long reload zone. We have an EM, which is not the best sign here. But location is long. Give me a W and I'll be okay with hunting a long idea. But give me the W. If not, I posted the shark setup from a long time ago. This one, I'll not play the shark. I'll play the SFU on 5-minute chart. Okay, so if we'll go back down there on 5-minute chart on scalping, if I'll see a reclaim, I will play that one. A bit aggressive, I'll get risk free at 1-to-1, but I'll play it. It's possible to take that level, equal lows, and then push higher. We can play this SFU if you want to play something more aggressive, or we can just put a limit order here and wait. Let's see what will happen. New York session will open in 20 minutes. New York, London, sorry. Maybe we'll see some bounces. But I think everyone is waiting for the stock market today to open. Yesterday was closed, so we'll put more pressure today. The long weekend is over and let's expect some volatility. Okay? So SFUs, because we expect more volatility, are easy to play. This shark is far enough. If we'll see a week to the downside, we'll probably get a bounce to get a relief, to get risk free here. So I think that's the best play. To short at that point, this point, I don't consider a valid strategy, I'll be honest. Now let's take a look at Ethereum. Well, Ethereum is a bit stronger. Let's put 4-hour chart. It's a bit stronger than Bitcoin, that's for sure, but you can see. If we're lucky, we'll get here and then we'll get here. I'll take any W I'll see on Ethereum on 4-hour chart or on 1-hour chart. I'll play all the W's I'll find on Ethereum. But I need the W's, I cannot play it blindly. Yeah? If you consider this one bear flag, like Jade was saying on SSV, well, the bear flag is pointing out here. Yeah, the bear flag is pointing out in the long reload zone. Will that happen? Well, I'm ready to play a long setup if will be. For the moment, I'm waiting for a W. and I'll play the double. Well, the most important is New York session, and the ASEAN session we are not playing it. Market is moving from periodically, and you'll find setups. Sometimes you'll find more on ASEAN, and then you'll see the market is changing, and you can find on London and then on New York. The most important is the New York session. That's well known. Okay, Hype is holding really nice here. They had some news, I think. I'm buying Hype here now. I'll wait here in the green, not in the red. Now we're in between levels. I don't know. Looks like a rejection. We had the news, and now we'll push back down, test the lows finally. Yeah, slow and steady. Slow and steady. We have time. We just need to have patience and play clear setups. Clear setups. Don't get in a trade just because I like the chart. Well, you have a setup? No. So why do you play it? If you are here to make money, you'll wait. If you are here to feel emotions and be in a trade, well, that's a different motive to be in the market. If you want to treat market like a business and be a professional, you'll wait for clear setups. As simple as that, people. Don't tell me I'm here to make money and then you are in 5 trades in the same time, and actually you enter just because someone told you you don't have a setup, you don't have a clear plan, you don't have a clear stop loss, you don't have a clear take profit. You are just there in the market hoping for the best. That's the recipe for disaster, people. That's behaving like a beginner. I enter the trade without a clear plan. If it will go against me, well, I'll get the fuck out. If I'll get the fuck out at that level, how much money I'll lose? It's okay with a proper risk management to put that position at that moment. Yes or no? If you don't answer these questions, then you'll come to me when you are 20, 30, 50% underwater, ask me what to do. And for me, it's impossible to tell you what to do with your own money. It's not the first time people are DMing me after they did the stupid things without asking. You didn't ask me when you did something stupid. No, because you know what I'll tell you. You don't want to hear it. But after you do the stupid thing, you come and ask me, well, how I could solve that? And honestly, the classic answer and the best answer is you made a mistake, close the mistake. Close it at the market in that moment, because that will stop the emotions. That will clear the mind. Well, if you are 20, 30, 50% underwater, well, it's kind of impossible for you to think logically. Even if you close, you should take a break at least 1 week. So please don't start doing stupid mistakes. That's the best advice I could give you. Litecoin is holding acceptable here. But for the moment, you can see we had a trade, failed. I don't see, until I'll see a, I don't know, 1 hour double at least. I'm not touching. It's strong for the moment. I don't see a setup here. So, people, don't do stupid mistakes. That's the conclusion, because it's hard to repair them. And after you get in the high emotional state, you'll do bigger mistakes until you'll destroy your account, and sometimes you'll health. And I don't think you want to do that. You are not here to suffer. You are not here to lose money. You are here to make some money. Well, then please behave like a professional. I don't know how to say it more nice than this. More clear than this. Stop fucking around. Don't be the public. Panicking at the support. Let's be real, people. Look at Bitcoin. We are getting, okay, it's possible to touch that level, but it's far away. I don't see. We are still in the range for the moment. Every time we touch this area where we should think long, and you can see the market reacted nicely, bounced. every time we touch this area, people are panicking instead of thinking, well, let's find some long setups. No? Every time we reach the short area or we accept above 100k, people, well, this time is real. Yeah, we'll go to the moon. And market is saying, no. We love the range. We'll stay here. We still have some money to take from beginners. Because they could take money from public not only in an exponential move to the upside. If you want to take the money from the public, you put a range. And then you create hype at the top and you create fear at the bottom. And they'll donate your money. They'll donate their money. Just think about it. How you can extract a lot of cash here. Well, at the highs, okay, you create a lot of hype. When they reach this area, everyone will be long. Then you destroy them. Here you create a lot of fear. Then you destroy them. And you're just fucking around here. And you're extracting money in a, I don't know, 10k, 10% range. When nothing is left to take, then the market will move. Either will go back down, either will push higher to create more hype and repeat the process. That's why we are trading the range, because we know the game and we want to short, assuming that it's a range, we'll short the top, we'll long the bottom. Statistically, market is in a range 70 to 80% of the time. If you have requests, people, I'm here. I'm listening. I'll take a look at your requests. But I think everyone has the same problem. They have the bags, but they are not pumping. Actually, they are dumping a little bit. Yeah? Solana? Let me take a look at Solana. Yeah. Solana is looking nice, actually. If you want to buy lower. Where is Solana? Come on, where are you, so? Let's put it. You have? Just 1 second to find it. Why I don't have Solana here? Oh, okay. Sorry. Solana. Let's put Solana on. I think we should start a daily. People, Solana is looking acceptable. Look at it. Just look at it. We are getting in the support area. We can touch 120? Of course we can. Will be a buying opportunity? Of course will be. 100, even better. So people are saying, well, Solana is going down. Yeah, but that's a buying opportunity. If we reach 120, $100, why not? Catching falling knife here? I don't think is the best idea. Usually look left. And if you look left, you'll understand what you should watch. Well, you should watch levels like this, yeah? Daily Ws. Breakout retest. I don't see Ws here. I see an SFU here, a blow off top here. Then we can push lower. But, like I said, if I'll see Ws here at $125, $100, $100, I think we should put the order just a bit above. You can see an SFU of this level will be nice. Yeah, something in here in this area. If you look left, it's a good level. But still far away from that level. Yeah, so on daily I wanted, on lower time frame, I wanted the bounce. I didn't get my bounce. You can see we SFU this level, not strong enough. Maybe we need to SFU the next level, this one. Maybe the market will react at that level. The big problem with the Solana is that the people who made tons of money on Solana, they are kind of exiting from Solana. They see that everyone got their scheme, and now they don't need Solana anymore to buy and sell. They will go and buy something else that will push Solana down, or exit in USDT. Most will exit in USDT, and that will push the price down. When they'll stop, I don't know. This looks a nice area, nice support, yeah. 150, 110. 4 hour chart, you can see new lows. We are in the catching knife kind of environment. Catching falling knife, don't do it. I don't recommend to do it. I had this nice scenario if the market will push above 190. That was the key level. If we'll accept above 190, then okay, we are safe again. And I had two scenarios, straight up or W and pushing higher. Well, unfortunately, straight down. If I don't see my scenario, I'm not playing. I'm just waiting on the sidelines. Who shorted Solana? Well, it's up to you. $200 was a good level. I'm not shorting because I said I'll not do it. Okay, 4 hour, 1 hour chart. We can look at nothing special here. 15-minute chart. Not even a 50-minute chart W. Give me a W here. No. 5-minute chart. We can form a W, but we don't have a W yet. Not even on 5-minute chart. So it is catching falling knife if you want to long here or you want to buy here. Could push lower? Yeah. That's bearish? No. Or medium term? No. On lower time frame? Of course it is. People don't have patience at all. Last couple of maybe it was too ugly of a bear market. I don't know. But people lost their patience. They want now in this moment to go to $1,000. Well, they promised me Solana to $1,000. Where is Solana? Well, sorry. For the moment, 166. That's the market price. And could go lower. When you consider it's a good investment or a good trade, you can take it. Fucking around and buying at $250 per Solana was a stupid decision, and we discussed that at that point in time. I told you, well, not the best level. Don't invest here. You can trade, but don't invest. Some of you, most of you listen. Some of you, no. I know better. The influencers are telling me on Twitter that it's a good level. Let's buy it. Same on this shit. Tao. Well, nice coin. Bad price action. Remember this one? Someone was telling you that is the greatest thing ever at $700. Me and Stefan, we are bullish overall, but at that point in time we are yelling, well, motherfuckers are selling their bags to you. Don't do it. Don't touch Tao at that level. And you can go and even now look at the comments Stefan got, especially Stefan. Yeah. Well, you're stupid, will go straight. Stop fudding. Well, enjoy now. If you put your money in at $700 on Tao, well, now you have half. Exactly half of your money. And could go lower? Of course it can. I don't see clear W's here on daily. Could consolidate at, in the long reload zone, could consolidate at 78.6, could consolidate lower at $200. We don't know. Yeah, it's not curing cancer anymore, Booker. But go on Wiz and ask him. Well, Wiz, you said that this is the best thing ever. We'll go to 1,000. Where the fuck is the price action? It's going down. You think he'll answer you? You think you can come like you're coming on this live stream asking me, well, Paul, what I should do here? No, he downloaded his bags of Tao to you, and now he's enjoying the life. You see a lot of influencers, well, I'll take a vacation. Well, that vacation, it's your own fucking money. Enjoy it. Sorry, people, but that's the reality. And if you are here, you should know the truth. At least you should understand that most of them, they sold their bags to you at the top, and they are enjoying. And that will happen even more at the top of the cycle. And they all enjoy the bear market on the sidelines, even if they are not traders, investors. They are smart enough to shield some project to you because they know 90%, 95% of the coins will go to zero. So they will shield, they will sell it to you, and you saw if you are watching Libra and you're watching what they did there, how they managed to shield that Libra so much, you'll understand the concept if you didn't do it already. I hope everyone knows that. What you see on Twitter, they are paid shields. Yeah, they will shield it to you for some coins. Yeah, David, that motherfucker, that's not the best or the good guy, but at least he said something this time. Yeah, they told him, well, shield it, you'll get some coins, but you're not allowed to tell that we send you coins. What is that? Well, Tia, it's in my area here. Tia, it's in the area where I want to buy it. Sebastian, huh? Look at it. This is the area where I want to buy Tia. It doesn't matter, it will take months until Tia will consolidate and will break this level and will push higher. I want to accumulate as much as possible, respecting the risk management in this area. Huh? The lower the better. For the moment, it's trying to hold $3. If we'll not hold that level, then we'll push lower. 2.5, $2, 1.5, $1. It's possible. I'm not saying, well, we'll hold necessarily $3. The lower it goes, the more I'll accumulate. I have more time to make more profit and then buy more TIA. Until I'll decide, well, enough, it's enough. Yeah? But we are in a nice location to think accumulating TIA, no? If you like TIA at $20, you should love it at $3 or at $2. No? Well, Jade, 95% of them, they don't know what they are saying. They don't even have setups. How the fuck you can call yourself a trader? They don't even have a plan. They know a basic TA, support and resistance. Well, market should bounce here. Well, what's the plan if the market should bounce there? Well, you buy, where you put your stop loss, how much money you risk, when you get the fuck out. Yeah? And if you do that level by level, setup by setup, and you have, I don't know, 5,000 trades under your belt, well, you can start thinking you are a trader. Until then, posting a chart on Twitter doesn't make you a trader. Sorry, people. By the way, Stefan, tell me if you'll do the live stream today for the public. Day trading with Stefan. So, I could close it faster, so let half an hour between our live streams. Yeah, so Stefan will live stream today. He'll look at the charts on lower time frame. You can ask him more requests if you want. Okay? Slow and steady. The market, this Tuesday is like a Monday, an ugly Monday. Why? The stock market was closed. Most of the big traders had a long weekend. They didn't trade yesterday, and now they are coming back. Expect the unexpected. That's all I'm saying. So try to play the SFUs. Try to play the where you should put this. Today is that environment. Put your entry where usually you put your stop loss. Remember that, because they'll hunt. Okay. Now let's call it a live stream. See you in the half an hour with Stefan. Yeah. I still have some places available for premium if you want to join, but please DM me because I'll not accept to do the payment first. I want to know you and then to accept you in premium. VIP is closed, Kappa 1 closed, Kappa 2 closed. Yeah, we are working on the programs. Okay, people. See you in half an hour or tomorrow with the same live stream. Bye bye.